Hello everyone. In the previous video related to tenses, we have done present tense completely last week. Now, today we are going to cover past tense. The types of past tense are past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So, as far as past indefinite tense is concerned, the standardized form is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Helping verb in this tense is did. Okay, students, note one thing: in whole the tenses, only past indefinite tense is that where second form of the verb is used. Okay, and whenever you are using did in negative and interrogative sentences, then we will use V1. Okay, for example, he came here yesterday. Its negative form will be he did not come here yesterday, and the interrogative form will be did he come here yesterday. So when we are using did, then V1 is used. Okay, and the next type is past continuous tense. Its standardized form is subject plus was oblique verb plus V1 ing plus object. So were is used with UN plural and was is used with other persons except you and plural. For example, the train was running at full speed. The train was running at full speed. Negative, the train was not running at full speed. Interrogative, was the train running at full speed. Okay. And the next type is past perfect tense. Its standardized form is subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. For example, I had gone to Delhi, I had done my duty, and the negative of this will be I had not done my duty, and interrogative will be had I done my duty. Okay. And the last type of past tense is past perfect continuous tense. A standardized form is subject plus had been plus V1 ing plus since for plus object. Okay. Subject plus had been plus V1 ing plus since oblique for plus object. For example, children had been playing since morning. As I already told you, since is used with the point of time and for is used with the period of time. Okay, so first example, children had been playing since morning. Second example, it had not been drizzling since last night. And the interrogative, had you been waiting for me for 2 hours? Okay. So with the period of time we will use for, and for the point of time we will use since. So today we have covered past tense. The very first type is past indefinite, second one is past continuous, third one is past perfect, and the last one is past perfect continuous. Past indefinite standardized form, subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Helping form is did. Where did we use V1. Next one is past continuous tense. This is subject plus was oblique verb plus V1 ing plus object. Next one is past perfect tense, that is subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. The last past perfect continuous tense, that is subject plus had been plus V1 ing plus since oblique for plus object. Now students, what you are supposed to do, write 10 examples of each tense with different types of sentences. Okay, means your examples must include negative sentences, interrogative sentences, as well as negative cum interrogative and affirmative sentences also. Okay, having any doubt, please contact me. Stay home, stay healthy. Good luck.